Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are fine. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. As we spoke earlier on about the book, and as we always use the same strategy to predict our numbers. So I don't know if you guys watched yesterday, and for those of you who watched and we made it, thank you very much. Always watch the videos. I'll just make one video, then that video it will work for almost 2 draws, which is lunch and tea time. So always make sure that if that number or that particular number, let me say like yesterday the code was 127, that one just came like as 1 plus bonus, which was 12.7. If you guys watched 127 code, and there was also code 144 that brought us 41 and 43. I even emphasize that the banker was 41 or 14 because they do spin the numbers. Okay, so we're just going to go back to the diary and see. You see yesterday what they did, these guys, they just used the T to produce this T. So meaning this T produced this T. And this lunch produced this lunch. So meaning today we're going to use this to produce T, and then you use this to produce the lunch. Okay, so can we just do a recap of what happened yesterday? This was 34 plus 38 plus the formula 55. It gave us 127. That landed very, very, very well. You guys, I'm not feeling well. You know, when the weather changes like this, sometimes we have these things of flu and stuff. Okay, so which was just 7 bonus and 12 inside. I don't know if anyone thought of this, because that was just the simplest code ever. I know people were thinking maybe of 27. So if a code was 127 and then they picked 12 and 7, which means there's a high chance of this 27 to drop as a bonus ball because they skipped him yesterday. So either 27 can drop on lunch as a bonus ball, or it's going to drop on tea as a bonus ball. Okay, so let us go to today's predictions then. We're going to do this, but I'll need to go to the calculator. It's 45 and 47. 45 and 47. So we're going to say 45 plus 47 plus 55 formula, we get 147. Now there is a tricky, because 47 is dropped here, and then the code says 147, and 41 is dropped there. In your own mind, what do you expect when you see a code like this? Because 41 and 47 they've dropped. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this. First thing, we're going to go there and get 17. Then we start to add 1 plus 47 is a 48, which means 48 is the banker today. Then you subtract and say 1 minus 47, we get a 46, which means these guys will hit higher numbers, 46, 48, 46, 48, 49. It does happen like that. And then, so now, you know what? These codes are so amazing. There's also a 14 there. Because now the 41 dropped. The 14 is also there. I'm just going to give you a set of the bonuses that you guys can play after this. So as I've mentioned now that the banker should be 48, because I'm now using lunch to produce lunch. I hope I'm clear on that, guys. Okay, so let's go to the second code that we're going to use the T to produce T. But then now, because it's a new day, we don't know what they're up to. They can use this T to produce lunch. They can use this lunch to produce T. So we just have to be very vigilant on this. So let's go to the calculator and check. We're going to use this one now because the other one is given us a code. So it's 33 plus 45. Let's go to the calculator and say 33 plus, sorry, is it 45 or 35? Plus 45 plus 55, we get 133. So now we are having these codes is 147, is 147 and 133. So there's this other secret that I've always noticed when it comes to these codes. we say 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7, that should give us a 12. A 12 that already dropped. So meaning we manipulate the number that have dropped and expect the ones that haven't dropped. I hope I'm clear there. Okay, so without wasting time, let's say 1 plus 33, that's a 34. 1 minus 33, that should be a 32. So we're going to spin that 32 because why? It has dropped on T last night. So we're going to either play 23 from that 33. But 33 is still hot. It is still very, very hot. So I would say today's bankers can be 47, 33. So either way, guys, sometimes you know what you have to do? Go an extra mile. You know, 1 is always a number these days in UK football because it makes it easy for them to split. That is why they prefer the 1. Because once a 1 comes, it's easy for them to split the number. As you can see, it's like there it says 147. At the bottom says 133. Sometimes you can just play like that. 133, 34, 147, 49, 147, 48. You just have to. The problem with you guys, you just want to be spoon-fed. You don't want to learn. Some of you are doing very well because they are learning. But some of you think the numbers they just drop like that. No, there's nothing like that. We could all be billionaires then in that case. So now, this is what it is. I'm coming now again with the bonuses. Okay, so let me say our today's bonuses is gonna be 8, 6, 15, 22, and then 49, 42. These are the bonuses. And then we go to the banker section. As I've said that 48, you can say 48, 47. You can say 48, 8. You can say 15, 8. You can say 33, 48. Because it's all about collaborating your numbers. I don't recommend this thing of 3 plus bonus. Rather play a 4 number, because if the bonus comes inside, then you're dead. You are definitely dead. Because 48 has to drop today. And it has to drop with one of the coldest numbers. Either 48 can be 48 bonus 15. 48 bonus 22. You know, it's all about, you play a 4 number. After playing the 4 number, then you take that 4 number, split it into 3 numbers plus bonus, so that if that 3 plus bonus does not drop, you don't have to have stress. Because just imagine your numbers dropped but the bonus is inside, and then you did not win. You did not win. And this thing of playing with 1 rand, I think it kills a lot of people, because someone wins 4 numbers with 1 rand, it's 4,000 rand. 4,000 rand cannot cover your problems. Instead, it will depress you. You know, I could have put 10 rand. So there's a number that you feel like, you know what, this number, I feel it, put 10 rand on that number. Then the rest, maybe you can put 1 rand, 2 rand, depending on how much voucher you have. Because you know, when a number comes, you play 4 numbers, 10 rand, that is 40k. I don't know how much, but yes, around that figure. It depends with the place where you play and the bets. You know, some other bets they pay extra, some of them they pay less. So it depends there. So guys, this is what it is. Me, I don't share my phone numbers on internet or on YouTube. If you want to buy the book, if you want to purchase the book, or if you want private lessons, you follow the link that I post in the first comment. I hope that is clear. And you know what, if you missed today, you missed, because today is another day, and I really know what's going to happen with this. So please guys, please teach yourself how to do these predictions. Teach yourself how to do it. Just imagine if you do your own predictions on the side using the same strategy. So the moment I upload a video, you just compare, okay, coach got that number, also got that number. You know, now you have got sure numbers that this will drop. You understand, guys? Thank you very much.